Hello my wonderful people, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Based on the previous video I posted yesterday, someone asked a very important question and I am here today to answer that question. Do not forget to like this video, share with friends because it's going to benefit a lot of people out there. Okay, like, share, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, hit on the bell notification for more information on how to get contract and how to write wonderful and beautiful novel that will be accepted all over the platform that I have introduced. Okay, without wasting much of your time, because this video is not going to be long, note that before I used AI to arrange my plot outline, I have typed the storyline from the beginning to the ending part of the story, including all the twists of the story. This is it. I am the one that typed this one. I typed it from the beginning to the end of the story. Okay, the work of AI. But I wanted to know something. Why I was typing this, I wasn't that curious or anxious of the grammatical errors. Okay, because I know that after everything I'm going to use AI to remove all the grammatical errors. I don't think it's going to be dictated as an AI generated content, but let us not to be in doubt. I'm going to show you how you can be able to know if your content is perceived or it's going to be dictated as an AI generated content. So I have typed this. So the work of AI, if you can remember the prompt that I showed yesterday, look at the prompt that I used. I have my story outline, just that it is not arranged and it might also include grammatical errors. Okay, so I use this AI using this prompt now. So after this, the AI now gave me a refined one. So this refined one now, which is this one now, I am going to copy it out now, direct from the chatGPT, then go to a browser, type in 0 chatGPT. You click on this, paste in your work. The free version, you can use only 15,000 characters. Okay, if you want to do more than 15,000 characters, you are going to upgrade it. Okay, so you click on dictate text to know if it is going to be AI generated content or human written. Okay, see, as you can see, your text is human written. For people that ask for I don't know the person that asks, I know that a lot of people have this question in mind, but I'm just here to clear your doubt that it is not going to be what AI generated content, because I have written it myself. The work of the AI is for the AI to arrange it in a better way. If you can read through it, you will see the wonderful work the AI did. Okay, so it's not going to be what dictated as AI written content. So you are seeing it now. It is what 0% AI GPT. Okay, I believe with this I have cleared a lot of people's doubts. Thank you. And if you want a course on how to write better, you can reach me out on my email or my WhatsApp for more information on that. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.